Hey everyone, it's Mike here, and today in this video I want to go through with you and show you how I helped Brilliance make over $10,500 and grow to 4,000 plus followers on Twitter in 68 days. Now, it gets better than that. He's smashed well over 20k since I made this document. Well over 6,000 followers, and it's only a month or two later. It's actually insane the progress this dude is getting, and it's just because he's putting in the work. He's done everything I've told him to do, and he's putting in the work every step of the way. Now, close all your tabs and pay close attention, because if you grow any sort of social media audience and you follow this formula, you'll be able to create similar results for yourself. It's truly capable. Anybody can do this. I've done it myself. I've done it with many students time and time again. Now, before we get into this, I'll quickly show you some proof of the statement above so that you know I actually did this. Again, this is when he had 4k followers, and now he has over 6k followers. He's just growing. He's rapidly growing. I did not make this document long ago, okay? You can see here, he mentioned 10.5k plus, and he's gone on to just make so much more. Okay, there's more deals here, 2.6k, $5,000, like $5,000 for one deal. This is absolutely insane. He builds landing pages. That's a one-page website, and he's making over $5,000 for one. He can outsource this if he wants for like $200-300 and take that profit with literally essentially no work, just managing. Okay, discovery calls booked, more money in, 1.4k. You know, appreciating the team. It's crazy. The wins he's getting are absolutely insane. Now, I actually recorded an interview with him. It's on my YouTube channel. It's in the student interview section, so you can watch that if you do want to do so. Now, we've gotten that out of the way. Let me tell you who this document is for. It's for you if you want to start, grow, and run a personal brand that prints dollars. This is for you, okay? If you already have a personal brand, this is for you. If you have a social media audience and you have no idea how to properly monetize it, this is for you. But if you don't have a social media audience, I can show you what to do as well. So don't worry. It's for everyone that just wants and is willing to change their life and put in the work. If you have a social media audience and you want to monetize it with a high ticket offer, this is for you. If you sell low ticket courses and you're stuck at $0 to 5k a month, this is for you. If you've any sort of experience that you want to package and sell at a premium, this is for you. That could be 9-to-5 experience. In your 9-to-5 role, you have a skill set that you use day in, day out. You think, okay, maybe companies would actually want this. Maybe I could start freelancing and earn my own money and build my own business, my own company, and earn so much more than I currently am. You can do it, okay? Now, here's the truth. You can monetize your personal brand on Twitter to earn a consistent 10k plus per month without a huge audience, okay? However, most people, and even people with big audiences, are not capable of doing so because they don't understand how to create an offer that their audience needs, and I have this highlighted here heavily, and wants. Nor do they have a proven process that creates urgency in their prospects and gets them to buy their offer. Okay, really important piece here. Read over this again, okay? I'll show you exactly how to create or how to solve these issues and how I managed to launch a Twitter account from zero that made a 10k profit month in 68 days and grow an audience of 4,000 plus people. Absolutely insane numbers. And again, he's gone on to do crazy things, bigger months. He's done way more than this in 1 month. And in case you don't know me, my name is Mike Scully. For the majority of 2022 and 2023, all I did was build a personal brand that has turned into a 6-figure business. I started out with building my brand around landing pages and scaled from 0 to 20k per month profit at a rapid pace, rapid speed. While documenting my journey live on Twitter, people were asking me so many questions about how I did it. From there, I knew there was a gap in the market to help people monetize their skills online and grow an audience that buys from you, that purchasing power. I spent the majority of January 2023 researching the market, building the offer and the necessary assets to launch it. I launched on February 12th, 2023. Since then, I've helped over 100 people monetize their audiences online. Just before 2024, Brilliance stumbled across me on Twitter and asked if he could pay me for a one-to-one consultation call. He said it the best call, the best $100 of his life. Okay, I usually don't do these since it's not worth my time, but Brilliance mentioned he lived in a third world country and it was all he could afford. I accepted the call. He said it was the best $100 he ever spent. You can see here. So it transformed his life, and we went on to do a lot more together, and he came into my inner circle and so on, and became just a big player on Twitter. Okay, fast forward to January this year, I was releasing a new offer called the Freelance Accelerator. This was my low ticket coaching program, which is in a group setting. Once launched, Brilliance decided to hop right in and get to work. He joined on January 28, 2024, exactly 68 days ago from when I was writing this letter. Okay, after our initial consultation call, he started to gain a small amount of traction on Twitter, but he wanted more support. Immediately, we dived into our onboarding call where we mapped out his game plan. Now, with that game plan, I create a custom for everyone that joins my program. You know, week 1, do this task. Week 2, do this task, and so on. We go step by step to make sure you tick off everything that needs to be done. Okay. From there, we covered targeting market, niche selection, built out his offer, profile optimization, content strategy, and so on. The list goes on, what we did together. As soon as Brilliance joined our coaching program, I knew I had a passionate student who is eager to learn and achieve success. His work rate was absolutely immense. It still is absolutely absurd. I took the time to understand his goals, aspirations, and pains. I got to know him on a personal level and make him feel welcome instantly. Now, optimizing his Twitter account. I knew that a well-optimized Twitter account would help Brilliance attract the right prospects. I worked with him to create a compelling bio, banner, and pinned thread that would describe his brand and his messaging. We created a content strategy that is engaging and value-driven, okay? Not like any other account. It cannot be the same as everyone else. We tailored it to fit his personality and style, and you can see that here when I go onto his account. He has personality in it. He showcases his personal life. He records videos, right? This is Brilliance. This is the way he is, hitting the gym and so on. Very capable of showcasing his personality. Okay. So from there, inside the program, he learned how to leverage AI. All of my students get this training to stay on top and future-proof their personal brand. We developed a content strategy that Brilliance could execute on each and every week. This means he has a plan of action when it comes to posting content, and he's not just firing from the hip. Targeting his ideal customer was the next point. I knew that targeting the right audience was crucial to Brilliance's success. I helped him analyze his followers and identify his ideal customer. I also developed a targeting strategy that would maximize his reach and get his message in front of the right people. Now, tell me if I'm wrong, but it seems like we did a good job with that. Look at this content he's posting. Absolutely insane. It looks fantastic. Targeting his perfect customer. Okay. We didn't target random people. We targeted the people who were most likely to become his clients. This is a big part of content. This is a big part of marketing. You have to be speaking to your ideal customer with your content. We also helped him develop a pricing strategy and offer that will be profitable for him and attractive to his clients. It needed to be a no-brainer. This is why he closes most of his sales calls now. He charges clients 2.5k for a landing page, right? Sometimes it can be a little bit less, but sometimes it's 5k. Like, it's insane. From there, then, creating a landing page and video sales letter, I knew that a high converting landing page and VSL would be essential to his success. And here's what it looks like. Look at this landing page. Absolutely beautiful. Okay. Next up is acquiring clients. I knew that acquiring clients was the ultimate goal for Brilliance. I taught him how to prospect, get inbounds, and follow up effectively. For sales calls on his own, I didn't just give him a strict script to follow. I taught him how to sell authentically and genuine. Every sales call he has, I watch and review to give notes on what can be improved. To me, this is super important. I've gone crazy in depth with him to make sure that he knows the mistakes he's made and actually be able to improve his sales calls. Now the results again, thanks to our coaching program and Brilliance's hard work, he's achieved incredible results in just the first 68 days and the first few months, to be honest now at this point. He earned over 10.5k in 68 days and grew his audience to 4,000 followers. As we scale, we'll just help keep repurposing a lot of content that we already built into long form pieces. We'll keep turning social proof and testimonials into valuable case studies and keep funneling leads and closing deals. And he's been doing so. You know, it's great that I can speak after this document because he's been crushing. It's insane. He's just been scaling. On the fulfillment side, the next step is building material, productizing and systemizing the process over time, getting people in, handling his work. All in all, now a well-established personal brand that will turn into a business, at least pulling 10 to 20k per month consistently. That's what he's able to do. Now that you understand exactly how this process works, I have an offer for you. Sign 3 to 10 clients or get to 5k per month guaranteed with your freelance business in 180 days, or you'll get a full refund without a doubt. I can teach you how to do all of the above plus more and help you implement the process yourself. If that sounds like something you've interest in, book a call below. Let's have a chat. Check the link below. There'll be a link there to book a call. Have a quick free one-to-one call with me. Let's see if you're a good fit. If you have the capabilities, let's do something together. Talk soon. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe for more. There'll be more value coming your way very shortly. And like it, thumbs up. Thank you very much.